Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my brushes, and I usually just take my Ajax dish soap and I put it in a little dish and I just dip my brush in there and start working it around my hand just to clean it, just in circular motions, and it's clean, you guys. And then I just rinse it out really well, making sure that I don't have any just to make sure I don't have any extra soap in there, because then your eyeshadow starts going on a little funny. So yeah, you guys, I usually start off with my eye brushes first, and yeah. If you guys start hearing like little breaths in the back of my voiceovers, is because I have my newborn in my arms. And so yeah, you guys, I'm just letting y'all know that's what it is. Those little breaths are his, not mine. Okay. All right, guys. So to make it easier on myself and to clean them a lot quicker, I start grabbing brushes that are similar, and I just work them in together so that it's a lot faster for me. And yeah, you guys. So that's what I do. And I just make sure that I rinse them off really well so that they all get cleaned and there's no excess soap in there. And yeah, you guys, that's what I end up doing. All right, so next I start doing my concealer brushes, and I try to work these in really well, because I feel like sometimes I don't get like everything out, but I try my best. And yeah, guys, so that's what I end up doing. Sometimes I do it up to 2 times just to make sure everything gets out. After my eye brushes, I start doing my face brushes, and these are a little bit harder for me to clean because they get so much soap in there. But if you guys want me to do a video on what are my favorite brushes, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to get that out as soon as possible. So up next, I start doing my sponges, and these take me a while because I like to rinse them out really well just to get all that soap out of there. And you guys, after this, I just let them out on a towel to dry out, and by in the morning, they're really nice and clean and ready to use. And yeah, you guys, so that's the end of my video. Please let me know down in the comments below what other videos you guys want to see. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video, you guys. Bye.